Dear students, Sridhar CC is starting online batch 8, which is going to be completely English medium batch, and we are starting this batch from 28th December 2020. So in this video, I would like to cover the content and the strategy that we are giving you for online batch number 8. So before going to that, let me discuss Sridhar CC 2019 final selectees. 3,599 final selections were there for Sridhar CCE in the year 2019. So this is our result in only one particular year. In that, IBPS clerk 1022 final selections, SBI clerk 647, RRB PO 358, RRB clerk 337, regional rural bank clerk and then PO. And then LIC ADO 206 final selections, LIC assistant 189, and then SBI PO 144 final selections, as well as IBPS PO 139 final selections. So altogether, we have bagged 3,599 final selections in only one particular year. And apart from this, just now, State Bank of India clerk final selections result has released for the year 2020, and there are 386 final selections from Sridhar CC, which includes classroom students as well as online batch students. Now, let us get into details for online batch number 8. As I said, this is useful for multiple courses like IBPS exams, clerk PO SO, SBI clerk PO SO, RRB scale 1 and assistant, as well as RBI assistant, all insurance exams, and PGDBF exams that all these public sector banks conduct, and FCA exams, last one EPFO exams. The content which is required to clear all these exams we are going to cover in online batch number 8. Again, I'm telling you, which is going to be a completely English medium batch. Subjects that we cover under this batch includes reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, banking awareness, computer awareness, and current affairs. We are going to cover the entire syllabus in two different ways. Number one, first phase is going to be basic level. The content which is required to clear any preliminary examination, we will cover first, followed by the content which is required to clear mains examination, that we will cover under advanced level. So all these subjects are categorized into two different categories, two different levels. One is basic level and then advanced level. Now altogether in basic level and advanced level, to discuss all the content, we are taking 450 plus hours, which is very much useful to clear your preliminary examination as well as mains examination. Moreover, our teaching style will give you more confidence to clear your upcoming examinations. And coming to details, which is going to be again a complete English medium batch, and for the course, whatever content is required, we will provide you PDF material, and now you can download those PDF material and the content which is required for our classes and for our topic wise test and for our model examinations, model test. For all these things, whatever the content that we are discussing, we will provide the same PDF material and you can download them. And at the same time, as I said, we will conduct a topic wise test for each and every subject, for each and every topic that is there. For reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, banking awareness, current affairs monthly, and then computer awareness. Under all these subjects, whatever topics are there, for each and every topic, we will conduct topic wise test. Not only conducting test, we will also give you explanation for it. And course duration, there are three different packages: 3 months package, 6 months, and then 12 months package. The facilities that you get under all these packages: 450 hours of classroom teaching, which is common, and PDF copies which are going to be in English medium, that is also common. topic wise test and with explanation. For explanation itself, we are taking 150 hours, and for classroom discussion, we are taking 450 hours. Altogether, these two categories only occupying 600 plus hours. Monthly model test and then explanation for each and every test that we conduct. Preliminary examination. Every Wednesday, we will conduct you preliminary examination, and you can write preliminary examination in your 3 months duration only. Whatever the duration that we have, in that particular duration, every Wednesday you can write preliminary examination, and mains examination we will conduct on every second Sunday and fourth Sunday. Special live classes that we conduct, you can avail that facility for 3 months program, that is with your validity time period, and 3 months current affairs you can listen, and you can watch all these classes for n number of times provided during your validity time period only. As I said, model test differs from package to package. Now when it comes to 6 months package, all these features are same, but as your duration is 6 months, you can write more number of exams because there will be more number of Wednesdays and more number of second Sundays and fourth Sundays. You can write more exams, as well as special live classes that we conduct for 6 months, and then 6 months current affairs you can avail. I'll discuss about model test and special live sessions a bit later. Listen this. And in 12 months package, as I said, every Wednesday you can write exam, you can score, you can write more number of exams, preliminary exams as well as mains exam, and 12 months current affairs and special live classes access will be there for 12 months. And most importantly, the printed material will be sent to your home. And now when it comes to monthly model tests, these are respective number of tests that Sridhar CC is promising you. Suppose if your validity is 12 months, for the next 1 year, whatever exam comes, for each and every preliminary examination, that may be a staff selection commission or railway recruitment board or IBPS or SBA or whatever it is, for each and every preliminary examination, irrespective of these exams, 10 to 15 days before the actual examination, we will give you bonus test. Bonus test in the sense we are not going to charge anything, and for those bonus tests you can write within your validity time period. If your validity is 12 months, for next 1 year, whatever exams comes, for each and every preliminary examination, irrespective of this, we will conduct you bonus exams. Not only conducting exams, we will also give you explanation, and most importantly, the strategy discussion. Strategy discussion varies from examination to examination. If you are preparing for SBI PO, prepare like that. And if you are preparing for SSC CGL exam, your strategy should be different. So strategy required to clear your examination. That means in your time period, when you are in examination hall, when you are reading a particular question, whether to pick the question or to skip the question, and if you are trying to solve the question, what method should come to your mind, that particular strategy discussion we will discuss in our bonus examinations. And like that, you can avail bonus examination for your entire validity period. And suppose special live classes, that means suppose if there was an examination, and in that particular examination a new model question has come, and Sridhar CC faculty will immediately discuss those special new model questions in our live sessions. Not only that, for every mains examination, suppose if you clear your preliminary examination, Sridhar CC will take care of everything which is required to clear mains examination. You just need to provide the information saying you have cleared your preliminary examination. For mains examination, we will give you booster classes for free of cost. That will be under special live classes. And whatever content which is important for financial inclusion, banking awareness, and current affairs before your mains examination, irrespective of these current affairs, before your mains examination, we will give you booster classes. Those are part of live classes. And within your validity period, you can watch these classes, all these classes for n number of times. And this is what the material that we send for 12 months package students. This comes under basic course, and this comes under advanced course. In basic course, we will have reasoning, arithmetic, English 1, English 2, book 1, book 2, banking awareness, general awareness, and computer awareness. And in advanced course, keeping in mind that we have to clear mains examination, we prepared special material for arithmetic, reasoning, and then English. This is what the content PDF that we will provide you. And at the same time, students who choose 12 months package, we will send the printed copy to your home. And when it comes to Sridhar CC team, and this is our English team, Murthy sir and Naresh sir. And reasoning, Sesi sir and Prudvi sir will take care of entire reasoning. Mobeen sir will take care of banking awareness. Reshma madam current affairs. And quantitative aptitude, Sudhir Chakravarti, that is myself. So I completely take care of quantitative aptitude, which includes course, topic wise test, and test discussion. And whatever quantitative aptitude is there under banking batch 8, I will only take it. Next, those who want to join, they need to visit www.sridharcc.com website, and in the top banner you can find online classes. When you click on online classes, you will be able to see all the batches information. This is English medium batch, and which is batch number 8. Those who want to join this particular batch, they should choose online banking batch number 8 and then proceed for the payment. Now, from when validity starts? Now suppose as our batch starts from 28th December, and on Christmas day, the auspicious day, 25th December, suppose if you go for subscription, still your validity starts from 28th December. Suppose if you subscribe yourself on 31st December, your subscription starts from 31st December onwards. Hence, your subscriptions ideally starts from 28th December or later. Still, if there are any queries, if you want to contact us, please contact us by calling 950-443333 or mail us online.sridharcc@gmail.com. I wish you all the very best for your future exams, and let's meet on 28th December online classes batch number 8. I wish you all the very best again. Thank you very much.